Hello and welcome to this short video on how to use a whiteboard and the annotation tools. This video assumes you know how to create a meeting. Then if you don't, please check out our other videos. So when you are in a meeting, to share your whiteboard, you come down here and select share screen. Then from up here you choose whiteboard and share that from your options. And here you have your whiteboard. So by default, annotations are enabled and anonymous. If you wish to change that, you can do that here. For students to be able to see their annotation tools, they will need to go to the top of the screen and see the view options drop down. So looking at the annotation toolbar, we have the select tool for selecting objects on the stage. We have the text tool, click to place, type, and we're able to resize this box. Again, use the select tool, click to select the object, and we can reposition that way. I can select the text tool again, click over here, resize that, reposition. And then we have the draw tool. We have some familiar tools here, and then we have a collection of basic shapes. So this circle tool here, hold down shift, click and drag to get a perfect circle. This provides an outline of a circle. The next one will give you a semi-transparent circle. You can resize at any time, so this is what happens when you don't press shift. And then this final one here will give you a opaque shape. Next up we have the stamp tool, and this is just a great way to get students involved, get some quick feedback. Then we have the spotlight tool. This acts like a laser pointer, as you would get in the lecture hall, and this arrow allows annotators to leave their names next to options. Next up we have the eraser. Click to remove, or you can hold the click button down and drag to remove things that way. We have the format tool with all your usual options for changing your fonts and shapes. We have undo and redo, and here we have clear. This will allow you to clear everything on the whiteboard, everything that you've added or everything that your students have added. And finally the save button, you click that, it automatically saves it into your meetings folder. And when you are done, you can click close up here. This will take you back into your meeting room. Now another great feature of the annotation tools is that you can annotate over anything that you're sharing, be it a PowerPoint presentation or a web page or even a Word document. So when you're sharing your screen, to open the annotation tools, you come up to the top, select annotate, and here you can see the toolbar that we were looking at just now. This is great for being able to show students what it is you're talking about. It will allow you to highlight sections of things. And again, great for student participation to keep them engaged. That's it for this short video on how to use a whiteboard and the annotation tools.